Hello, hello, and welcome back to SpeakCast English, your daily English listening practice podcast. I'm Andrew, your expert teacher.
And I'm Emma, your co-host and fellow English learner. So glad you're here with us today.
It's great to have everyone tuning in. And Emma, I've got to ask you something that's been on my mind. Have you ever had to call in sick to work and then felt like your boss just didn't quite believe you?
Oh, Andrew, you're reading my mind. I've been there so many times. It's such an awkward situation. You feel terrible, but you also feel guilty. And then you worry about how you sound.
Exactly. It's a common struggle. And for English learners, it can be even harder to find the right words to sound professional, convincing, and polite.
Yes. Sometimes I just say I'm sick, and it feels so blunt. And then my boss asks if I can still check emails, and I'm like, but I said I'm sick.
Chuckles. I know the feeling. That's why today, we're tackling that exact problem. By the end of this episode, you'll walk away with 3 practical phrases that will help you communicate clearly and professionally when you need to call in sick.
3 phrases that will make your boss say, "Oh, okay, get well soon," instead of, "Are you really sick? I need this."
You got it. Let's dive in. Scene transition.
So, Andrew, my big problem is that I'm often so worried about sounding weak or like I'm making excuses that I just say something really simple, like, I have a cold, but then I feel like it doesn't sound serious enough.
That's a very common experience, Emma. It's a fine line, isn't it? You don't want to overshare all your symptoms. Nobody needs to hear the graphic details of your flu. But you also need to convey that you genuinely can't perform your duties.
Yes! And what if I'm not really sick, like just feeling really tired, or a bad headache, but not a fever? Can I still call in sick?
Absolutely. That's where our first phrase comes in handy, and it's a classic. Instead of saying I'm sick or I have a cold, which can sometimes sound a bit direct, you can say I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Under the weather. Oh, I've heard that before, but I was never sure when to use it.
It's perfect for those situations. It means you're feeling slightly unwell, not seriously ill, but definitely not at your best. It's polite, professional, and understood by everyone.
So if I just have a headache, I can say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
Exactly. It's a very gentle way to explain you're not well enough to work. It implies you're not faking it, but also that you're not on your deathbed.
That makes so much sense. I think a lot of Vietnamese learners might just say, I'm sick, because it's a direct translation, but it doesn't have that gentle nuance.
You've hit the nail on the head, Emma. Nuance is key here. Now, once you've explained a show that shows you're not well, the next crucial step is to clearly state your unavailability. You need to make it unambiguous that you won't be coming in.
Oh, this is the part where I always hesitate. Do I say, I cannot come to work? Or, I will not come? It feels so direct again.
Right. Those are grammatically correct, but they lack a certain politeness in a work context. A much more natural and professional way to say it is, I won't be able to make it in today.
I won't be able to make it in today. That sounds so much smoother. Why is make it in better than come?
Make it in specifically means to arrive at your workplace. It's a common idiom in professional settings. It implies you've considered coming, but due to circumstances, in this case, being unwell, you're unable to. It's more polite and less like a demand.
Oh, I see. So it's not just about grammar, but about sounding natural and respectful in a work environment.
Precisely. Now, after you've told your boss you're unwell and that you won't be in, what's the next thing they'll probably be wondering?
Probably. When will you be back? Or will you be okay tomorrow?
Exactly. They want to know the plan. Even if you don't have a concrete answer, it's professional to indicate that you'll communicate with them. That leads us to our third phrase, I'll keep you updated.
I'll keep you updated. That's so good. It shows responsibility.
It really does. It tells your boss that you're thinking ahead, you're not just disappearing, and you'll let them know as soon as you have more information about your recovery or return. It manages expectations without making promises you can't keep.
So it's not just saying, I will tell you later. It's more proactive. It's about maintaining communication.
Absolutely. I will tell you later is fine, but I'll keep you updated sounds much more professional and implies ongoing communication. It's like saying, I'll inform you of any changes as they happen.
I love these. You know, Andrew, I'm actually terrified of making phone calls in English, especially when I'm feeling unwell and my brain isn't working at 100%. So having these phrases ready would make a huge difference.
That's a totally understandable feeling, Emma, and that's why having these phrases ready to go, almost memorized, can reduce that anxiety significantly. You won't have to search for words when you're already feeling bad. It's like my morning coffee ritual. I have it perfectly planned, so even if I'm half asleep, I can still make a perfect cup without thinking.
Only you, Andrew, would compare calling in sick to your coffee ritual. But I get it. Preparation is key. Scene transition.
All right, Emma, let's do a deep dive into these 3 essential phrases. We'll break them down, give you another example, and talk about common mistakes.
Perfect. I'm ready to lock these in.
First up, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Okay.
This phrase means you're feeling slightly unwell or sick, but usually not seriously ill. It's a polite and indirect way to say you're not feeling 100%. It's often used for things like a mild cold, a headache, or just general tiredness.
So not for, like, a broken leg?
Chuckles. No, probably not for a broken leg. For that, you'd be more direct. Here's another example. My daughter is feeling a bit under the weather, so she stayed home from school today.
Got it.
A common mistake for Vietnamese learners is to say, I'm sick, directly. While sick is correct, under the weather sounds more gentle and professional, especially in a work context, because sick can sometimes imply something more severe or even mean vomiting in some informal contexts.
Ah, that's a great point about the nuance.
Let's practice this one. Repeat after me. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Excellent. Next phrase. I won't be able to make it in today.
This one is so useful.
It means you cannot come to a place, usually work or an event, at the scheduled time. Make it in specifies coming to Zader, dues a location. For example, I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it to the meeting this afternoon.
Okay.
A common mistake here is using I cannot come or I will not come. While grammatically understandable, I won't be able to make it in is much more natural and polite in professional English. It sounds less like a refusal and more like an unfortunate inability.
It sounds more apologetic, I think.
Exactly. Now, your turn. Repeat. I won't be able to make it in today.
I won't be able to make it in today.
Fantastic. And our third phrase, I'll keep you updated.
This one gives peace of mind to the boss, right?
Absolutely. It means you will continue to provide information or communicate any changes as they happen. It's a proactive statement of intent. For instance, the doctor said he'll call me later, so I'll keep you updated on my condition.
Clear.
The mistake here can be saying, I will tell you later, or I will inform you. While those are okay, I'll keep you updated is more professional and implies a continuous flow of information, not just a one-time message. It shows you're responsible for communication.
Yes, it sounds like you're managing the situation.
You got it. Let's practice. I'll keep you updated.
I'll keep you updated. Scene transition.
All right, Emma, it's time for our shadowing practice. This is where you can really improve your pronunciation and natural flow.
My favorite part.
I'm going to say a key sentence from our discussion today. First, I'll say it slowly, then at a natural pace. Listen carefully, and then you can repeat after me. Our sentence is, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I won't be able to make it in. Slowly. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I won't be able to make it in.
Okay, I'm ready.
Natural pace. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I won't be able to make it in.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I won't be able to make it in.
Excellent, Emma. Listen to how you connect under the weather. It flows really nicely. And make it in, you got that clear T sound at the end of it, and then linking to in. That's perfect.
Thank you. I think focusing on the rhythm helps a lot. It's not just the words, but how they sound together.
Exactly. That's what makes your English sound natural. Scene transition.
Wow, that went by fast. We covered so much. Remember those 3 key phrases to sound professional and convincing when you call in sick?
Number 1, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Number 2, I won't be able to make it in today.
And number 3, I'll keep you updated.
Practice these phrases, and you'll feel much more confident next time you need to communicate about your health at work.
We have a challenge for you today. In the comments below, tell us, have you ever used one of these phrases before? Or, if you could only pick one phrase to use, which one would be most helpful for you?
We love reading your comments and seeing your progress.
Please like this video if you found today's lesson helpful.
And SUBSCIRBE to the channel so you don't miss any of our daily English listening practice episodes.
Leave a comment with your favorite phrase from today. Before we finish, let's do a quick recap of today's main ideas and the most useful phrases.
Pick 1 or 2 expressions and try them in real life today, even in a very short conversation.
Thank you for listening today. We hope this episode helped you practice real English.
Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your favorite phrase from today.
You've been listening to SpeakCast English. Thanks for practicing with us, and see you next time on SpeakCast English.